Part of the problems that we are unable to solve currently is a damaged heart, how to be repaired and recover back to the original situations, whereby the best repair mechanism currently we know is from stem cell technology. We have a very specific cells called stem cells. It's involved in repairing all the damages that in our body.
The stem cell, we will see this is another optional therapy and the additional hope for patient and doctors, because stem cell claiming is treat untreatable disease.
Heart and vascular diseases can strike suddenly, often without warning. But with advances in regenerative medicine, stem cell therapy offers new hope, helping repair damaged tissue and support new blood vessel growth. It's not just about living longer anymore, it's about living better.
The reasons being, we have to understand that how heart attack started actually. Heart attack doesn't come immediate or sudden. So it started off with all these factors like diabetics, hypertension, hypercholesterol. All these cause deteriorations of the blood vessel as well as the heart muscle. Eventually it will cause a heart attack. The heart is always keep on pumping. The pressures in the blood vessels is always up and down in a sequence. Blood flow is from high pressures to the low pressure and make sure the blood continues circulating in our body. So that is important, but it's not too much. So if the pressure is too high, then it could able us to break the wall of the blood vessels. So the entire disease progress, it can be due to the blood vessels become hardened. So that's why those people that doesn't take care of their health, whereby the wear and tear does not repair immediately and then start to have a plaque formation and causes a narrowing down the blood vessels. It's just like a traffic jams. So if the damages does not been repaired optimally by stem cell, one day it becomes something that very damaging. This is the role of the stem cell, repairing all the damages that in our body. So just like our blood vessels, there's a tear and then the blood start leaking. If your stem cells is reached on time on the site, then it can help to repair. Once your wall get repaired, so the leaking doesn't cause entire breakage of the blood vessels. So this is very essential. One thing is that in adult body, our stem cell does not continue generate, and this stem cell actually is limited. If you don't take care of your health, that means you have more damages, you will use up your stem cells much more faster compared to those people taking good care about their health. So the stem cell technology now allows us to reborn. The reasons being, we can increase the repair mechanisms by taking the stem cell into your body. It's just like your body is lacking of repair engineer, so you call help. You infuse from outside source. But of course, this so-called outside source must be well selected, they're safe, and then they're effective, so that these stem cells are come into your body. This does not conflict with you. They know exactly what they should do. They do the repair. So you are increasing the ability in your body. Talk about heart attack, severe damages. Part of the problems that we are unable to solve currently is a damaged heart, how to be repaired and recover back to the original situations, whereby the best repair mechanism currently we know is from stem cell technology. But for the patients, the stem cells numbers is not sufficient to do this major repair. So we need to call help from outside. So the entire stem cell technology is how to bring the effective stem cell to come into our body to do the treatment. Treatment is to meet the unmet medical therapies options, to return the organ functions back to the normal stage. And once it return back to the normal, that means you can consider as a cure, whereby the drugs, not many options available to encourage the repair. You see, stem cell is part of the medicines, and it does not mean to take stem cell and replace others. So they work together by these understandings and new knowledge. So the stem cell actually come into a place and joining the entire medical treatments as one of the options for treatment purposes.
Supergenics offers a new solution for cardiovascular disease treatment. Through its patented MSC stem cell technology, this breakthrough supports tissue repair from within.
For the past 100 years, we only looking at drugs and then surgeries. Other than that, seems like there is no other options. Now, the stem cell and advanced therapeutic medicinal products seems like they are cure. Not 100% cure, but we will see this is another options for patients and doctors.
Supergenics is a company that focus on producing stem cells for therapeutic use. All the stem cells that cultivate or produced by Supergenics is MSC. Talking about the patented technologies, the MSCs can repair the blood vessels, whereby we able to demonstrate that the stem cells are able to generate a lot of small blood vessels to supply you the nutrients, to supply you the oxygens. If a tissue lack of oxygens for too long, then the tissue will die. Then you are unable to recover anymore.
So how you can guarantee the safety for these therapeutics, because this is a very new therapy. So if you have a GMP under pigs, this is one of the guarantee. And then now if you have another ISO 17025 standards to govern all this, so it will be much safer. We follow all the guidelines. I cannot find any company that follows strictly with all the guidelines, and then we have been sustaining for a very long time. So before the product is released, we make sure the whole process are complete. Only the product is safe, then only we can release. So this is how tedious and safe of every product we release for patient to use it. We are one of the great industry players. I would say you should look into the way we do it. So how we prepare the cell, how we guarantee the cell, I would say we are one of your best choice.
We are dealing with life. We're taking care stem cell safety as the most important priority.